Hi everyone, this is Fahim, and in this week's class, which is week 4 of IT infrastructure and emerging technology, I learned about how IT infrastructure and how it supports the daily operations of an organization. Um, IT infrastructure is made up of basically hardware, software network, the database, the internet support, and the IT support and all these things that allows a business to run efficiently. Without a good IT infrastructure, it would be very difficult for workers and employees to communicate with customers or be in between them or with suppliers and everybody, which will make the operations of a day-to-day company very hard. The first topic was the evolution of IT infrastructure. In the past, businesses mainly used personal computers to complete their work. Today, most of the organizations use cloud and mobile computing, so employees can access a company system using laptops, smartphones, even tablets from anywhere, even from their home with an internet connection. So this makes a business more flexible and allow people to work remotely. Another important concept was the client server model. Um, So in this model, the client devices such as computers sends requests to a central server. The server stores data, runs applications, and provides services like file sharing, printing, and internet access. I learned that this model is important because it helps organizations manage resources more efficiently and allow many users to access the same information at the same time. Um, I also learned about different components of IT infrastructure. Most commonly, aside from computer hardware and operating system, there are different software like enterprise softwares, data storage, networking, internet platforms, and even consulting services. So each component has a different role, but they all work together to organize a company's day-to-day operations. For example, um, a retail company may use Windows computers, and then they have a different POS software. They have an SQL database for all those things. They can use Cisco for networking for the whole IT equipment, and they use cloud services to support its daily operations. Um, The fourth topic was about virtualization. So, virtualization allows one physical server to run multiple virtual machines. This means the organizations don't need to buy many servers, physical servers. This will reduce cost, save energy, and useless hardware, which is more makes more efficient for the company. And it also makes it easier for organizations to manage their IT resources. We also learned about cloud computing. So the different models are um, um, IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So I learned that cloud computing allows businesses to access computing resources over the internet instead of owning everything themselves. This reduces cost, gives organizations the flexibility to increase or decrease resources when needed. So finally, we can say that the IT infrastructure management challenges such as scalability. As businesses grow, its IT infrastructure must also be grown to support more users and large amount of data. So businesses also need to decide whether it is better to rent cloud service or to buy their own hardware and software. Overall, this week's class helped me a lot to understand about these IT infrastructure and how every organization uses them in different ways. So, in real businesses such as retail stores, hospitals, schools, even a bank, a strong IT infrastructure helps employees work more efficiently, keeps customer information secure, improves communication, and supports better decision making overall. Um, the technology that I've learned recently and had a more in-depth knowledge about was cloud computing, virtualization, and AI becoming more important in these businesses to reduce cost, improve performance, and prepare for future scalability growth. Thank you.